When I have a client come in and we're talking about their fall at one of the local theme parks, a question I often get is, should I be speaking to the theme park representative? They've reached out to me. They have sent me letters. They're trying to get me to talk to them. I would say, under most circumstances, no, do not speak to the representatives of the theme park or the insurance company. If they're asking you to give them a statement or some kind of recording or any kind of detailed explanation of what may or may not happen. I say in certain circumstances because if you have hired an attorney and you've discussed the facts of your case with the attorney, and your attorney decides that it's in your best interest to speak to the insurance company and in terms of helping you cooperate with the investigation of the case, you may do that, but that's a very limited circumstances. For the most part, I would say no, do not speak to the insurance company. I would say do not speak to the insurance company alone ever in any of these situations. Now, sometimes we have clients who, when they're at the theme park, a theme park representative will try to reach out to them while they're laying there on the ground or while they're being helped by the EMTs. I would just be careful of giving any great detail into what happened. Let them know what body part you've injured. Let them know what may or may not have happened. But aside from that, just give them the basics of the situation so that they can maybe fill out an incident report. But if they do that, make sure that you get a copy of that and make sure that you read the incident report before you fill that out, sign it, and give it back to them. I've had cases where some of these incident reports have questions in there which basically have the person signing it admit that they were negligent or admit that they're not going to pursue any claim against the theme park. So be very careful with speaking to the theme parks. Don't ever speak to the theme park insurance representative without an attorney. And in some cases, it's okay if you're with your attorney or under the guidance of your attorney to speak with them. That way you can help in the investigation, and they can't deny you benefits for not cooperating with their claim. If you have any other questions about theme park accidents, please contact our office.